Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best 6-person 85-inch inflatable spa with a cover, the Intex PureSpa Greywood Deluxe. If you're searching for a luxurious, convenient, and budget-friendly way to enjoy a hot tub experience right in your backyard, this is the one you've been waiting for. From the moment you set eyes on the PureSpa Greywood Deluxe, the wood grain exterior gives it a refined, modern look that fits seamlessly into any outdoor setting. But don't let the stylish design fool you. This spa is built tough. Its outer shell is made from Intex's patented fiber-tech material, offering durability and structural stability while still feeling soft and comfortable. It's designed to withstand outdoor elements so you can enjoy it all year round, rain or shine. Now, let's talk experience. At the heart of this spa is a powerful bubble jet system, 170 high-powered jets to be exact, surrounding the interior to deliver a soothing, full-body massage. Whether you're relaxing solo after a long day or entertaining guests, this tub delivers consistent, evenly distributed bubbles for that real spa-like comfort. And with the water temperature reaching up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for chilly evenings or stress relief. Control is simple and futuristic thanks to the wireless touch button control panel. You can adjust the temperature, activate the bubble jets, and even set timers, all wirelessly. One full charge gives you up to 48 hours of operation. The panel even mounts securely to the spa's side, keeping it within easy reach when you're soaking. One standout feature is the built-in hard water treatment system. This isn't just a luxury, it's a skin saver. It softens the water, which is gentler on your skin, better for your swimsuits, and extends the life of the spa's internal components. If you've ever had to deal with calcium buildup in other spas, this feature alone is worth it. When it comes to ambiance, the PureSpa Greywood Deluxe doesn't hold back. Multicolored LED lights are included. Just pop in a few batteries, and transform your spa session into a nighttime retreat. Whether it's a romantic evening or a weekend get-together, these lights set the perfect mood. Let's talk about what you get in the box. It takes about 20 minutes to inflate with the included hose and system, and then fill it up, no tools required. Heating the water to the max temperature can take several hours, depending on your starting temperature, but once it's ready, maintaining the heat is energy efficient and straightforward. You're getting a large capacity spa, premium features, and thoughtful design, all without the huge cost or permanent commitment of an in-ground hot tub. It's portable, stylish, and made to deliver relaxation right at home. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a personal wellness retreat, this spa is a no-brainer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you want us to compare this with other popular models. See you in the next one.